As civilizations developed, humans advanced greatly. The appearance of various IT devices played a role in hastening the development of humans. How many hours a day do we spend using IT devices?
날 때마다 이렇게 계속 받아보고 있죠.
거의 항상 손에 들고 있다시피
하루 종일이라고 봐도
According to a research center that conducted a survey in 2013, about 30% of the survey group used IT devices 7 hours a day. A prolonged use of IT devices can cause many side effects. Have you ever felt numb or dry-eyed after using your cell phone over a long period of time? This is a signal from the body indicating that it is feeling stressed from electromagnetic waves.
편하게 쉬고 싶거나 아니면 좀 긴장을 풀고 싶을 때 사용하는 거기 때문에 전혀 그런 생각은 안 하고 그냥 편하게 사용하고 있는 것 같아요.
We decided to test for ourselves to see how much stress our bodies receive from using smartphones. The test subject, who said he hasn't felt any stress, also seems to be curious about the result. And the results showed that the person that hardly feels any stress is measured to be 25, while the person who used a cell phone is measured to be 50. He has been feeling the stress all along. The warning the body sends when it feels stressed from electromagnetic waves. Can we afford to ignore it? Here is a company that manufactures products that can solve this problem. UNI-Tech is the company that manufactures T-Power-U and T-Power-M that can resolve problems such as electromagnetic waves and VDT syndrome. Electromagnetic waves are said to interfere with the bee's sense of direction. We equipped the cell phone with T-Power-M and observed how the bees reacted. First, we turned on the cell phone that was not equipped with the T-Power-M. The bees swarmed away from the cell phone. Next, we turned on the cell phone after equipping it with T-Power-M. This time, the bees flew freely around the cell phone when they had previously stayed away. The test results showed that T-Power-M indeed blocked electromagnetic waves. A prolonged use of IT devices can adversely affect the eyes. If the eyes become bloodshot and show dryness from the dry eye syndrome repeatedly, it can lead to a serious problem. How were the eyes of our students? We did a phenol red test to check for the dry eye syndrome. We inserted cotton threads into the eyes and checked the tear volume 20 seconds later. And we proposed that the students use laptops before and after equipping them with T-Power-U. The tear volume could be checked by how red the previously yellow cotton thread became. We could see that the tear volume increased when the laptop was equipped with T-Power-U. This time, we checked the performance of T-Power-U through the tear film safety test. Tear breakup time test is conducted by inserting fluorescence in the eye and observing the tear film. The quicker black points appear around the pupil, the drier the eye. We observed the eye of the person after the person used a laptop equipped with T-Power-U. The difference in the numbers of black points before and after using T-Power-U can be clearly seen.
저희가 실험에 사용한 T-파워라는 장비는요, 파동 에너지라는 것이 나옵니다. 이 파동 에너지는 우리 인체에 유익한 에너지로 작용을 하고, 그럼으로써 안구 건선증을, 우리가 건성안을 완화시켜주는 역할을 하고 있는 겁니다.
Brain waves can be used to measure the periodical changes in our cerebral nerves. Using the recording of brain waves, we observed the effect T-Power-U had on the brain. First, we attached electrodes to the head and recorded the brain waves when using a laptop. Next, we had the participant use the laptop with T-Power-U and recorded the brain waves. Lots of red parts can be seen in the brain waves that indicate alpha waves when using T-Power-U.
알파파는 사람의 가장 기본적인 뇌파이면서 사람이 편안하거나 이완할 때 나오는 뇌파 성분입니다. 부착했을 때 이 빨간색 부분이 더 이렇게 알파파가 활성화됐다는 것을 볼 수가 있었습니다.
People were certainly surprised by the huge amount of electromagnetic waves produced at first. We measured the volume of electromagnetic waves after equipping T-Power-M. The volume of electromagnetic waves definitely decreased when using T-Power-M. UNI-Tech developed its technology through diligent R&D efforts. Vitamin, a new product launched in 2014, is the result of its hard-won technology. Can any of us living in this day and age break away from IT devices? No. But there is a way to enjoy them without suffering the consequences, and UNI-Tech has the answer.